today's review is going to be on the movie Mookuthi Amman, directed by R.J. Balaji. Available on Disney Hotstar. Go watch it. Don't miss it. It's a comical one. It has a lot of thought-provoking incidents narrated in this story. The cast and crew of this movie, directed by R.J. Balaji, who also had given us a comical one a few years back as LKG, comes up with Mookuthi Amman. He also stars as the main hero who takes us through the entire journey of Mookuthi Amman. Now, Mookuthi Amman, played by Nayanthara, is a stellar performance. At ease she has performed, and then you have none other than Urvashi to play the mother role. Amazing characterization, too good. She completely steals at every scene what she comes in. Now, that's the cast and crew. Now, this movie is more on the comical lines. It's true to R.J. Balaji style. Lot of things are put into this movie. If you miss even a single line, you're missing a certain thought process in the entire 2 hours plus movie. Okay. Now, lot of incidents in this movie. They've taken on all the godmen from Nityananda to Sadhguru to lot of people. All of them have been taken for a ride in this movie. How people blindly believe in godmen, how the conversion of black money converts into dollars and then comes back as white to the country. Lot of things are explained really well in this movie. It basically talks about a land grab by Baba and then how this is stopped. And a very nice conversation of Mookuthi Amman trying to supersede Tirupati. Like, people should start earning more. This temple should start earning more than what Tirupati was earning. If you give laddu here, you need to give some milk, something here. Lot of things. It really makes you think that is there God or there's no God? Are you an atheist or a theist? All these are done in a very dramatic, comical manner with lot of sentiments. It caters to all the kind of people. Children will love it, elders will love it. All the category of people, they will love this particular movie. Now, where this movie has a drawback is what I feel is it does not have a direction. It goes as and when it goes to a particular place. Okay, sisters sentiment, brother sentiment, and then again it comes to mother father sentiment. Then again it goes to godman, again it comes back. So there is no set direction for this particular movie. Lot of things had to be told in one particular movie about God, whether God exists or not. So lot of references we could relate it to the Hindi blockbuster PK, played by Aamir Khan. So that kind of, this more of a South Indian kind of a PK. So it's done really well, but the only lack is the direction. So it goes haywire, left center, you're going in one track and then again you come back, then again you go Tirupati. So a lot of things are happening. So, but all this is told in a very comical manner, so the time really passes and the one-liners by Balaji are really nice. And for a directorial second venture, I would say he's really performed well. His screen presence is also improved a lot. Now, overall, on Vicky's Clicks, we don't want you all to miss this movie, a comical one. Enjoy it. We are going with a 4 on 5. Thanks for watching.